Good morning, students. As you know that in a previous class we have already give you some of the introduction regarding the cell. Today we will discuss the next topic regarding with the cell. How does the cell behave in a different environment, like in a osmosis? So today we will discuss the cell behavior in a different type of solution or different type of environment. As we know that the solution has three types. First is hypertonic solution, second is hypotonic solution, and third is isotonic solution. Before discussing this, we want to explain about the osmosis. Like in a gases, we know that in a diffusion, the gases transport from higher gradients to higher concentration to lower concentration. Like here also, osmosis generally happen in a liquids, where the transportation of material start from the higher concentration to the lower concentration. So now we come to the first one. How does happen in hypertonic solution? First we know that what is the case, what is the condition in a hypertonic solution. When we go into the hypertonic solutions, we see that the concentration of the cell is more than the concentration of the solution. Suppose that if you have a container and you have a solution and you take one piece of resin into it, and its original shape is this. So what we see that, what we have already told you, that the concentration of the cell, here the resin is a cell. So the concentration of the cell is more. It means the concentration of the solution in a cell is more in a resin. And what does happen in osmosis? We already said that the concentration always takes place, or transportation always takes place from higher concentration to lower concentration. So here we see that the concentration inside the resin is more. So the transportation takes place from resin to solution, resin to container, and so what happens? We see that the shape of the resin becomes small, or you can say it gets shrink. So in this way the cell behave in a hypertonic solution. In second case, as we know that this is a hypotonic solution. As we said that in a hypertonic solution, what is the condition of concentration of the solution and the cell? The concentration of the solution is more than the cell. सेल में जो कंसंट्रेशन है वो कम है, लेकिन कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन जो है वो ज़्यादा है. तो उसके केस में क्या होगा? अगर इसी तरह से अगर हम लेके चले एक कंटेनर ले लें और उसमें हम क्या करें, सॉल्यूशन को रख लें, और like first we take a piece of the resin into it and put into the solution. Then we see that after a while we see that the shape of the resin becomes bigger, or you can say it gets swollen. Why so? Because as we have said that the condition of the hypertonic solution is that the concentration of the solution is more than the cell, more than the concentration of the cell. So the water moves from solution to cell, and that finally result the shape of the resin becomes bigger, or it gets swollen. Now this is the third one, which is known as isotonic solution, in which what happens, the concentration of the solution is same as the concentration of the cell. And so what happens, there is no movement of the water from one solution to another solution, and finally the shape of the resin or shape of the cell is as it is original. जैसे पहले था शेप रेजिन का, वही हो गया, क्योंकि दोनों का इस केस में क्या है कि जो कंसंट्रेशन है सॉल्यूशन का वो सेम है सेल के कंसंट्रेशन के कारण से, इस कारण से जो है क्या है, जो है वाटर का जो मूवमेंट है वो किसी और नहीं होता और शेप जो है सेल का एक जैसा होता है. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द cell in a different environment, or like in a osmosis, what does happens in a cell. So finally this is all about the today's class. You all must learn these three type of solution and what happens during that solution when we put the cell. Thank you.